a little peekaboo on the side, a little peekaboo on the side. Don't do too much. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle and today I am bringing you a TEMU haul. Now TEMU is an online shopping platform where you can buy everything. Clothes, home decor, car accessories, trendy gadgets, everything. Now I do want to start off by saying thank you to TEMU for reaching out to me and making this possible. I will link everything in the description. If you see anything you like, make sure you add it to the cart and then use my code to save you some money. So we're going to start with this Good Vibes LED sign. It is white, it has clear backing. That's how the back looks. I would say this is about 14 inches long and 6 or 7 high. Small, it can fit on a table, dresser, bar, cart. When it turns on, it's pink. You ready? You ready for the pink? I think it is so cute. Little, good quality. It does what it's supposed to do. And it also has the on-off remote. So, white cord. That's the first thing. Now, next, I really wanted this. I've been seeing this, and I know some people are like, Lonnie, you need to do that. Just shower and get out. Well, I wanted this. Ooh. So this that fell is the backing. And what this is, sorry, it's a phone holder for the shower. So that's nice and secure. There's a sticker over the sticky part, but you would peel it back and just stick it to the wall. Put your phone inside. It's in there, it's secure. You can control the phone. I can't let it play too long because copyright. Is it gonna play? Oh, you're trying to. Do too much. But yeah, you can play your shows. You don't have to worry about holding down the button on the speaker trying to skip songs. That's how my shower speaker is, and it's pretty annoying. So I can watch my shows, I go skip through my music, and I love it. Definitely gonna be using this tonight, today, tomorrow, the next day after that. Now we're gonna move on to bags. I don't remember this bag at all. This is how it looks, and this one you can see it's very thin. And as far as like support, I don't think only one of these bags I'm gonna show you has like good support, but this is the design, and it opens up like that. And yeah, as far as I said, like support, it's not a lot of support. This strap to me, it's a little bit more on the flimsy side. Like it just doesn't, it's not really big arm friendly, and it just feels like it's gonna break, especially if you load up the purse like I like to load it up. But it has a button on the inside, and that's the only type of security you have as far as closing it. And then that's the inside. I feel like like the first few purses I'm gonna show you are more like young girl just starting out trying to get her purse collection up, where she don't really like have a lot to put in it. It's not like for someone like me who likes to put half my life in a purse. So that's the first one, and this is the next one. Now this is pretty much the same as far as thickness. It has no support at the bottom. It has a little strap, but I was a little confused because the straps didn't have anything at the end, so I didn't know like what we was doing with that. But this is the bag. It's pretty small. It will fit my phone. Well, let me see if it'll fit all of this. It fits the case and it sits up, but again, I would be afraid that I would break this and it would just lose form. So yeah, that is how the purse looks. Now the next one, the next two are similar. It's supposed to be like a bucket bag, and it has a button to close it for security. Again, not a lot of support. It came with a strap. Strap says love. The strap is fairly long. I like that. It also came with a little pull. And what does this say? Home. Yeah, you can see. I do wish that these bags had more support because the design, especially these two, because these are the same. This one's pink and this one's black. If they had more support at the bottom, these would be super cute. Great for daily use. I could fit my camera in here. Like, it is a nice size. It just feels a little more on the flimsy side. Now, next person I'm gonna show you, she not flimsy at all. Not flimsy at all, okay? So this one is obviously my favorite. So we have a buckle under the flap. First of all, that little croc, I just love croc stuff. And the croc travels on to the back. And it opens up. There's no pockets or anything, so it's just one compartment. Closes. We have our handle with the gold detail. The strap, I don't like the strap on it. I think it looks much better without it. And the hardware on the strap is a little more dull than the hardware on the bag. So I feel like it just doesn't really match. So I'll take that off and I'll just use it like this, and I think it's so cute. The quality is an 8+. From the gloss on the croc to the way it feels, yeah, I like this. This is definitely like cute. And the weird thing is about this is, like, this isn't something I necessarily would pick for myself, but here we are, and I love it. I love everything about this little purse. And can you move this? Oh no, you can't move this. But it's just a little cute detail. All in all, this would be my favorite out of all the bags. Wait, I forgot to show you my phone. It fits really well in this one, and it supports it. And I got a heavy phone. I have the S23 Ultra, and with the case up there, I could fit. Oopsie, I can't see the hole. I could fit my phone in there comfortably. I could put my Laneige in here, my little mirror to see my lashes. Yeah, love this one. Now we're gonna transition into sunglasses. I tried to like get a few different things. So when I saw these sunglasses though, I could have literally stayed there forever. There were so many cute styles, but I'm only gonna show you 5. Okay, so these are the first ones, and they are, first of all, I really wanted the B. Like, I saw the B and I was like, I don't know what the B stands for, but let's get it. They are, they are so cute. They fit pretty well as well. Let me get close. They fit really nicely. They're not sliding. I don't, like I said, I don't know what B stands for. I don't know if it's like a dupe or something. I really don't care. I think they're cute. I love the brown on the lens. I don't really know how to explain the color. They're like a soft brown, like tan, but they're see-through, clear. Like, it's just, then the gold detailing on the B. I love these. They fit well. They don't do a lot of sliding, a lot of movement. And I have my lashes on. They are not touching whatsoever. So these are definitely good quality, very well made. One of my favorite glasses. These were harder to open, and when I first touched them, I thought I was gonna break them. But this is how they look. And they do have like kind of a gradient, like darker black at the top, and then it goes down, which I love. Got a little peekaboo on the side, a little peekaboo on the side. Girl, this is it. This kind of like shift your attitude. Like, I might even start talking different. This is that. This is, no, she is her with these on. Like, I can't even see my eyes. Now they do wrap my lashes a little bit, but that's a me problem. I wonder, are they like a dupe of something? Like, are they copying something? If you know, let me know, because these are cute. But like I said, when you go to close them, like, it's a lot of pushback, and I'm scared that I'm gonna break. Like, I'm scared because I don't want to break these. But yeah, these are beautiful, gorgeous. Like I said, the sunglass category is just top tier. Like, there's so many good ones to see. We have green arm, frameless. Now these have a gradient like transition as well. We got gold at the bottom. Girl, I don't even know what to say. First of all, these slide down for me on my nose a little bit more. I love the way they look, but they're not that comfortable for me. They kind of feel like heavy on my nose. Like when I take them off, I'm definitely gonna have that print right there. But they are beautiful. They look nice. They feel like good quality. I love the gold detail. Frameless, like they feel nice to the touch. It's just on my nose, like it's weighing, and I don't really like that because it just makes me feel like not good enough because my nose is like flat to my face. So we'll move on to these. So these are blue. We got a little bit of gold detail on the arm. Square shape. What I first thought about these was how, because in the picture the transition, like the gradient, I keep saying transition, the gradient was like blue to pink, and I was like, what? And that is exactly how they are. Like they are literally like the picture. So they're like a darker blue here, just like the frame, and then at the bottom where it starts to get light and go into that pink, that's how the lens is. And I love these. Now these feel they feel the thinnest out of all of them. Sorry, they're probably my lash. They feel the thinnest out of all of them, but this makes up for that. They do slide as well. These slide as well, but I'm gonna wear them. I'm gonna have to just keep pushing it because I love these. Like these are definitely my favorites. I like the other two as well, but I do have favorites. Now these I kind of just picked blindly, and I was like, let's just see what happens. So they're kind of like a cat eye shape. We have, cat eye, a little bit of gold detailing. It looks like, is that A's? Again, I feel like I need to talk different because these are these are so cute. Do you not see that? That is crazy. I love this light. Oh my, you can see my mole. And most of these glasses have other colors, so if you don't like this brown, see what else they have. This style, I think it's very flattering. I think it looks really nice with my eyebrows. It feels comfortable. These are the most comfortable of all the glasses. I can put my head up, down, it's not moving. I love these. I love these. And I swear I thought I was gonna dislike these ones the most. Okay, now we're gonna move into my sandals. So this is the first one. So these are pink. We have gold and gold. Now honestly, I saw these on another website and I was like, oh man, they look so cute. I want to try them. But when I saw them on TEMU, I was like, okay, let's see it on TEMU. These aren't really what I was expecting, honestly. I thought that the gold part was like hard, but it's more so like bendy, you know. And yeah, these don't fit me either. So like I can't get my foot comfortably all the way in because it's just not big, I say big enough. It's not wide enough here. Not wide, but like high enough for my foot to get in like this. So that's these. These are in a size 38. They're all in a 38, which is a US 7. Next are another pair that don't fit, but bear with me. They're gonna fit in a second. These are black. And I think these are super cute. If you know, you know what these are made to look like. Same issue as the last one. I can't comfortably get my foot in all the way. Like I can get my foot in this one, but my toes are like, they not trying to get to the top. They feel really good quality. Both of them, both of the qualities of these are nice. These are a little bit thinner, but that's just the way they were made. I do think the quality on both is nice. They just, my feet don't fit. Correction, my feet fit, lengthwise, just not height-wise. Now, honestly, I never saw a shoe like this before, and I was just interested. It looked like they were like, you know, little bubbles, and I said, okay, let's give that a try. We have the clear band over top. My feet fit fine. They're pretty comfortable. They're just a different like look. So these would probably be like nice house shoes, going to beach or pool, something to throw in your bag. I think they're cute. They're 38 as well. They fit nice, pretty good quality. I don't feel like I'm gonna break this anytime soon. So yeah, these are how they look. There's also like some padding in here, so it's very comfortable. Moving along, we got, and this is how they look. So they have this piece on top by the toe. And I was worried about this because I was like, dang, is my feet gonna fit? And they fit. Then this is a little bit wider. It's much wider, but when you first put your foot in, because they shipped it to me when it was like leaning like flat, so when I put my foot in, I actually have to go in and pull the strap over top of my feet. It's not that big of a deal, and after a few wears, it'll probably just stay up. But this is how they look. These are so comfortable, cute, stylish, 100% me, my type of style. We got a little bit of gold with a little fake jewel, cute fake diamond, rhinestone. What is it? I don't know. Do it move? Oh, it moves, so you can move it around if you want to. So yes, that's how that looks. And I don't know why I'm not showing both shoes at the same time, but I got both shoes. Next shoe is my favorite. Look at it. Has the D, you can see the color. It's like a lime green, yellow, very vibrant, very spring, summer. I'm gonna wear this shoe out. When you see it again, it'll have my toe prints and my heel prints because I'm gonna be wearing it. I would definitely order this in other colors. Now this is like, I wasn't expecting this quality wise, style wise. I didn't really know what to expect on TEMU, but I'm definitely gonna go back and get more of these. Out of all the sandals, these would be my favorites, and then these would be next. So these two are my favorites, and I am very impressed with TEMU sandals. That concludes my first TEMU haul. It was very exciting. Make sure you stay tuned for number 2 because it's coming. I will link everything in the description box so you can check these things out. Make sure you use my code to save you some money when you shop. Thank you, TEMU, again for partnering up with me to make this video possible, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.